In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click Sounds and Vibration over here. Now you can click on Vibration at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone and tap on Vibration section for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Then tap on None to disable vibrations completely. Select Synchronized at the top, or pick one of those patterns. Go back, click on a notification tone and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, hit More Settings at the bottom and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate One Ringing to enable or disable this option. You can also click on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!